welcome back to my channel. Today we're on another staycation. This time we're at the Orleans Hotel and Casino off the Vegas Strip. I'm going to show you guys the casino floor, the restaurants, the hotel room, and all the amenities. It's going to be a great time. Come check it out with me. The Orleans Hotel and Casino is located less than a mile west of the Las Vegas Strip and about 10 minutes away from the airport. Parking is free. Check out our room. Okay, here we are. Excited to see what this looks like. Ooh, okay. So let me shut this door. This is a 2-queen bed, deluxe 2-queen with a strip view. Just a little mirror on the wall. 2-queen beds. I like it. It has a sitting area, a couch and a chair with a table. And this is supposed to be a strip view, so let's see. That sound is the air conditioning. So this is also a Boyd Gaming property, just like Gold Coast. I did a video on Gold Coast. I'll link it in the description box below. So we're gonna see some similarities, but that is the strip view. I see Luxor right there. Luxor, New York, New York. Delano, way over there. Ooh, to the right, the windows are a little dirty, but right there is Allegiant Stadium. Excalibur, New York, New York. And I think we have Aria over there. Okay, so it is a strip view. All right, I'm gonna turn around. Here's what it looks like from this side. I like it, it's big, it's clean. There's also a desk over here. And just like Gold Coast, they have a coffee maker. I brought in my own water. There's no water. I don't see a refrigerator. Here's the TV with 6 drawers. Let's see what that looks like. Okay. You know what I don't notice? Is a closet. We're gonna figure out where we're supposed to hang our stuff. Here's the bathroom. There's no door that opens regularly, but it's a sliding door, so if I can open it or close it. I think I need 2 hands for that, but there's a door. And they actually have a bathtub. So here's the bathtub. With, of course, the shower. A few towels. And there's no closet out there, but it's right inside the bathroom. So they also have the ironing board and the iron with a few hangers. Okay, ice chest. And just like Gold Coast, they use the Echoes shampoo, lotion, soap, and of course a hair dryer. All right, let's go check out the pool. Towels. Looks like there's a snack shack, but it's closed. Little seating area that's actually covered with tables. This is the spa and fitness area. Oh, it looks nice. I like this hallway. It's nice in here. Look. It faces the pool. There's this pool. but it's currently closed. And the barber shop. Let's check out the restaurants. The Orleans Hotel and Casino has a variety of restaurants from fine dining to casual, and they also have a food court for quick bites. The area by the food court appeared to be undergoing a mini renovation, so it was a bit cramped in that area. So we are gonna have dinner in the Copper Whisk Cafe, which is closed. It is only open from 6 to 3 p.m. We decided to dine in the food court. Let's take a quick walk around and see what they have here. So we ended up in the food court because the cafe was closed. So nothing fancy, just Subway, something quick. We're not really hungry. So that is dinner. You're bound to find a machine you like here at Orleans. Their gaming floor is huge. They have over 2,000 slots, video poker, and video Keno machines to choose from. If table games is more your speed, they have a lot of them. Every time I come here, their tables are always full. It's a little early now, but they will fill up soon. They have games like blackjack, craps, roulette, pai-gow poker, baccarat, three-card poker, and ultimate Texas Hold'em. Their minimum bets are also lower than on the Strip. The Orleans is home to one of the most popular off-strip poker rooms. It has been named Best Poker Room by readers of the Las Vegas Review-Journal. Some of their featured games are Texas Hold'em, No Limit Hold'em, 7-card stud, and 7-card stud high-low. If you love Keno, you have the option to play one of the many Keno machines, or you can play it live in the Keno Lounge. The Orleans Race and Sportsbook seats 125 people with giant screen televisions, so you never miss the game. The Racebook provides 13 betting windows, so you can place a wager on your favorite team. After a day of gambling, relax and watch a movie. The Century Orleans 18 movie theater features luxury recliners, and they even have an arcade next to it for the kids to enjoy. If you prefer to drink over a movie, check out one of their Mardi Gras themed bars. They also have various performances in their theater or at the Orleans Arena. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. Until the next video, stay safe. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. If there's any other video you'd like to see, let me know in the comments below. Let's keep in touch. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter at inandoutofvegas.